7 Powerful Lessons from the book Believe It to Achieve It by Brian Tracy. 1. Identify your limiting beliefs. Negative self-beliefs like "I'm not good enough" or "I can't succeed" hold you back. The book guides readers in recognizing these limiting beliefs and their origins, often rooted in past experiences or self-doubt. 2. Challenge and replace limiting beliefs once identified. These beliefs need to be challenged and replaced with positive affirmations like "I am capable" or "I can achieve my goals." The book teaches techniques like visualization and self-talk to reinforce these positive beliefs. 3. Develop a clear vision. Knowing what you want in life is crucial for achieving it. The book emphasizes setting SMART goals as specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound to provide direction and motivation. 4. Take action and persist. Success requires consistent action, not just wishful thinking. The book inspires readers to take daily steps towards their goals, even small ones, and never give up despite setbacks. 5. Master your emotions. Unchecked emotions like fear and anger can derail progress. The book teaches emotional management techniques like deep breathing and mindfulness to stay focused and resilient during challenges. 6. Build positive relationships. Surrounding yourself with supportive people who believe in you can significantly impact your journey. The book encourages cultivating strong relationships and seeking inspiration and guidance from mentors and successful individuals. 7. Embrace continuous learning. Personal growth is a lifelong process. The book emphasizes the importance of continuously learning new skills, acquiring knowledge, and staying open to new experiences to fuel your progress and adapt to changing circumstances. Please share, like, and subscribe to our channel Ideas to Inspire for more great ideas and inspirational content. Thank you.